Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Power the controller and verify antenna alignment and GPS lock so telemetry is accurate. Once those are confirmed, open Satellite Director and load a project or create a new session. This puts you into the control workflow immediately. Next, select the specific satellite, frequency band, and antenna profile. These choices determine pointing algorithms and tracking precision. Make sure to save the profile, otherwise changes may be lost. This first step reduces guesswork and once the session is active, start a course track to bring the antenna within pointing tolerance. Aim for roughly plus or minus 0.5 degrees so you have signal to work with. Then perform fine calibration. Use real-time SNR and signal strength readings to tweak azimuth and elevation, because small corrections yield large gains in link quality. After tuning, enable auto-tracking and configure scan patterns and dwell times for link verification. This lets the director maintain lock while you monitor performance metrics. To finalize, verify link metrics, SNR, bit error rate, and throughput until they are stable. Only then consider the link production ready. Once satisfied, save the final configuration, schedule any automation or recurring passes, and export logs for record keeping. If you fail to achieve a lock, follow one key troubleshooting step. Inspect for physical obstructions and antenna line-of-sight issues first, then check IP configuration, frequency offsets, and transmit power. Rerun calibration after each change to confirm recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.